Oregon smells like rain before it falls pine, soil, and silence. It's the kind of place that teaches you to listen. In the hush between the trees, balance returns. The forest is slow medicine. Here the elements meet in harmony, earth grounding us, water softening us, and air clearing the mind. Ayurveda calls this the realm of Kapha and Vata, in balanced steadiness with imagination, stillness with movement. Earth steadies, air inspires, water remembers. When life feels heavy, we look to Vata for lightness. When thoughts scatter, we call on Kapha to hold us steady. The Pacific Northwest teaches that both belong. You can be mist and mountain tender and strong all at once. This feeling inspired today's dish: a mushroom and barley forest bowl, local mushrooms, shiitake, crimini, and oyster sautéed in ghee with thyme and garlic. We fold them into warm barley and kale, then finish with a squeeze of lemon and an optional splash of cream. It's earthy, grounding, and rich in prana bowl that tastes like the forest after rain. The Chinook and Kalapuya peoples of this region honored salmon, berries, and wild roots. Food was gathered, not taken, always in rhythm with the land. That reciprocity still breathes in these forests. Every leaf, every drop, every meal asks us to remember where we belong. In Oregon, I learned the beauty of quiet work, the unseen growth beneath the surface. Healing doesn't always bloom loudly. Sometimes it looks like moss, patient, gentle, and unshakable. This was Oregon, where forest meets fog. Next, we return home to California, where sunlight and salt water carry the final lesson of our journey. Thank you for watching. If this video resonated with you, I'd be so grateful if you'd subscribe for more recipes and reflections. Until then, bend, root, and breathe.